Okay, last step, or not last step, but putting all the steps together. I'm just going to go ahead and solve it. Not as quick as I can do, but just putting them all together. First step, get that white cross. And so, of course, I have sound coming off from my computer, but I can get distracted by that right now. And okay. Oh, I was just right there. Yeah, oh well. That's the way it goes sometimes. And then getting that second row stuff done. Really not that many. Sometimes I'll be clear-minded and I can think 2 steps ahead, but I'm not doing that right now. Again, not a big deal to me. Okay, second row's done. Get the yellow cross. There's the yellow cross. Match it up. Green, red. Okay, there's matched up. Now it's just a matter of getting the yellow on top. And there is that. And then finding, there's no corner that was cracked, so I just picked a corner and went with it. Now there's a corner that's cracked, go with that. And then done.